Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show or ask the question if you can get promo codes for Shadow Fight free. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and head on over to Google. I've typed in Shadow Fight free promo codes. So there's a few good sites that typically give out promo codes. So we got GameRant.com and The Gamer, two of the bigger sites there for these promo code deals. So if we click into GameRant.com, we'll scroll down to see if there's any promo codes. So if we keep scrolling here, all Shadow Fight free codes. So keep scrolling down here. So as you can see, there is no active codes available at the time of this recording. They might become available at a future date, so be sure to check them out at later times. You can see the expired codes, they could work, but obviously it says expired, so keep that in mind. And as it states here, Neki Developer releases codes quite rarely. So, however, even one code can contain quite a few rewards, including keys, gems, and more. So, yeah, so if you come back at later dates, if you're watching this at a later time, there might be an active code that you can use for Shadow Fight free, and you can jot that into your game.